is Avijit, and I run a European Fintech. We are basically from Berlin and Burgos, Berlin in Germany and Burgos in Spain. And we also have an office in Morocco, Casablanca, and we're part of Casablanca Finance City, which is the biggest financial hub in Africa. And we're running a students' digital bank in Germany. Drop money. Okay, so we offer students digital deposit account. So this is in regulation with German government. So whenever a student apply for a higher education visa and they want to move to Germany, they need to deposit a certain amount of funds with one of the regulated service providers. So there are 5 global service providers by the German government. So we are one of them. So we can provide service to 162 countries, students. We launched our service in March this year. And currently we have 30 customers from 37 countries, and it's growing every month. It's growing, and as soon as we see more travel-related bans are taken off, we will see more students coming up on our network and registering with us. So we provide a deposit guarantee account that is for their visa, and then when the student reach Germany, we also provide them current account, their health insurance, and when they fly, we provide them travel insurance. For travel insurance, we have Allianz as our global partner. And for banking, we are partnered with BNP Paribas for giving the banking solution. So that's how we run the services. So I wanted to make a digital bank, but it is kind of tough coming from outside Europe and starting up in Europe and raising funds and doing something. So we wanted to start small. So I did some research around a couple of years. So what kind of services we can offer, which is not completely a banking product, but can offer some services which the banks do. Then we came across this German product called German blocked account that anybody applies for a German visa, they need this. So then we applied for the authorization with the German government. It took about 7 months, and we developed the product during COVID. And we also raised funds, 100,000 euros during COVID in 2020. And we got the authorization in January this year, and we launched in March. Yes, I have about 16 years of experience in banking and financial services. I worked with G Capital, G Commercial Finance, and then with Pfizer. And then also I run my own consulting firm before coming into the startup environment. It's a tough market because it's related to travel, and right now the travel is banned. Universities are doing virtual classes, but as the vaccination goes up and the relaxation comes in, so we see that by 2020 March, April, the movement will start. Not only to Europe, there are students moving to USA as well, in Canada as well. So we see that the trend is coming up because there was a stop, almost like no student, no registration, nothing. But now we again see that the students are coming up and they started doing registrations, started doing payments. So we see that early 2022 would be fine. We would like to connect with investors also because we are looking forward to raise funds as we are applying for our own banking license in Europe, and we would like to partner with North American banking solution providers because we're also looking forward to get into the Canadian market because Canada also have this program called GIC where the students need to deposit 10,600 Canadian dollar before they get the Canadian visa for students. So there are Canadian banks who are operating it, but we see that as we are also already working with one of the sovereign government, we see an opportunity to get into that space. And Canada is like a 5 times bigger market than Germany. So that is our goal, that if we can connect the dots and find the right partnership here in Money 2020 as well as investors around North America, so it will be easier for us to get into. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.